Welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this in 2026 and you're searching for how to make $100 a day online from home, you're not alone. A lot of people want that extra $100 every single day, whether it's to cover bills, build savings, or eventually replace their full-time income, all while working from the comfort of their own home. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make $100 a day online in 2026 from home, using one of the simplest and most effective systems available right now. This complete business in a box pays you $200 instant commissions per sale, which means you only need to make one sale every 2 days to hit your $100 daily goal. And many people are going way beyond that. My name is Alex, and in this in-depth video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how complete beginners are learning how to make $100 a day online from home in 2026 with the daily income method. Stick with me until the very end because I'm going to give you the direct link in the description and pinned comment so you can get instant access and start earning from home today. If you're ready to finally learn a real, proven way to make $100 a day online from home, this could be the most important video you watch this year. Let's dive deep into this. Making $100 a day online from home in 2026 sounds great, but most people struggle because they don't have the right system. They try random gigs, complicated freelancing, or paid advertising methods that eat up their budget and time. They end up working more hours than they wanted, still stuck at home, but not actually making consistent money. The key to how to make $100 a day online from home is having a system that is simple, uses free traffic, leverages AI, and pays high commissions, so you don't need to make dozens of sales every day. That system is called the daily income method. Created by Mac Mills, this is a complete business-in-a-box affiliate marketing program designed for people who want to make money from home. Every time someone buys through your affiliate link, you get paid $200 instantly. That means hitting $100 a day is very realistic, often with just a few sales per week once you get consistent. This works beautifully from home because everything can be done on your laptop or phone. No need to go anywhere, no inventory, no customers to handle, no face on camera. You use powerful AI tools and done-for-you content to drive free, organic traffic while you stay comfortable at home. Let me give you a complete, detailed breakdown of everything you get inside the daily income method, so you can see exactly how it helps you make $100 a day online from home in 2026. You start with the full daily income method training program, a clear A to Z, step-by-step blueprint that teaches you precisely how to set up and run your online business from home. Mac walks you through every module so you know exactly what to do. You learn account setup, using AI for content, posting strategies for free platforms, tracking commissions, and scaling to $100 a day and beyond. The training is beginner-friendly and perfect for people working from home. Inside the dashboard, you'll see real earnings examples, like snapshots showing $532.75, which proves members are easily surpassing the $100 a day goal. One of the biggest advantages for making $100 a day from home is the massive 100,000 Faceless Reels library. You get instant access to over 100,000 ready-to-post, high-converting short videos. These reels are professionally made and optimized to promote the daily income method. You simply download them and post to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and more, all from your home. No filming yourself, no editing, no leaving the house. This library makes it easy to post consistently every day, which is the key to hitting $100 daily. Many members are posting 5 to 10 reels per day from home and seeing their first sales within days. In 2026, short-form video traffic is still incredibly powerful for making money from home. You also get the Viral Reel and Hook Script Generator, an AI tool that creates original viral hooks, scripts, and captions in seconds. You give it simple inputs and it does all the work. This is perfect for home-based earners who want fresh content without spending hours creating it. Another great tool is the AI Mastery training. Clone yourself using AI. Generate photorealistic professional images of yourself or any avatar for thumbnails and profiles, all without any camera or design work. Stay completely comfortable at home. You receive the secret black book of email swipes with 222 proven templates that convert in 2026. Use them for automated follow-ups that keep earning for you even while you sleep at home. Plus, the Facebook Profile Growth Guide gives you Mac's exact strategy to grow from 0 to over 41,000 followers. Another free traffic source you can manage entirely from home. All of these resources are inside one simple dashboard at dailyincomemethod.app. You get your personal affiliate links, multiple high-converting landing pages like the ATM gamification lander, Make Money in Your Sleep lander, 1-minute quiz lander, and the main checkout page. You also have lead capture tools, video follow-ups, real-time commissions tracking, and a leaderboard. It truly is a complete business in a box that lets you make $100 a day online from home. Here's the exact step-by-step process for how to make $100 a day online from home in 2026 using this system. Step 1. Click the link in the description and pinned comment right now. This takes you straight to the Daily Income Method checkout page. Complete the one-time investment and you get immediate lifetime access to everything. Step 2. Log into your dashboard from home and watch the welcome video, plus complete the quick system setup. This takes just 15 to 30 minutes. Grab your affiliate links and choose your favorite landing pages. Step 3. Start posting content from home. Download batches of Faceless Reels from the 100,000 library. Use the AI hook generator for custom scripts when you want. Post 3 to 5 pieces of content every day on free platforms. Everything can be scheduled or done during your free time at home. The content is already designed to drive people to your links. Step 4. Set up the automated email follow-ups using the proven swipes. This works 24/7 while you're at home. When someone purchases through your link, you receive $200 instantly. To hit $100 a day, you only need about 3 to 4 sales per week on average once you build momentum. Many members go beyond this and make several $100s daily from home. This process is perfect for making $100 a day online from home because the AI and done-for-you assets handle the heavy lifting. You focus on simple, daily posting from your house. Real people are achieving this right now in 2026. The member dashboard shows live commissions and a leaderboard with beginners earning daily. Mac Mills has paid out hundreds of thousands of dollars because the system works and delivers real value to buyers. Let me address the most common questions people have about how to make $100 a day online from home. First, is this realistic? Yes. With $200 commissions, you only need a small number of sales to reach $100 daily. The done-for-you content and AI tools make consistent action easy. Second, do I need any special skills or equipment? No. Everything is faceless and beginner-friendly. You only need a laptop or phone and internet, things you already have at home. Third, how much time per day? Most people run this successfully with 1 to 2 hours per day from home. You can do it in the morning, evening, or whenever you have free time. Fourth, what if I don't want to be on camera? Perfect. The entire system is 100% faceless, using the real library and AI images. Fifth, are there monthly costs? No. One-time payment for lifetime access. Your first couple of sales easily cover the investment. This is one of the most practical ways to make $100 a day online from home in 2026, because it removes all the usual barriers. If you've watched this far, you're clearly motivated and ready to start earning from home. You don't want to keep struggling financially. You want a clear, step-by-step path to $100 a day. So here's what I want you to do right now. Click the link in the description and pinned comment. Go to the Daily Income Method sales page, review all the details, and get instant access today. Once inside, watch the welcome video, complete the quick setup from home, download your first batch of Faceless Reels, and begin posting. Your first $200 commission and progress toward $100 a day could start coming in very soon. I'm here to support you. Drop any questions in the comments after you join, and I'll help point you to the right training. If this video gave you a clear answer for how to make $100 a day online from home in 2026, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you get more home-based earning strategies. Thank you so much for watching this complete guide. I truly believe the daily income method is one of the best ways available right now to make $100 a day online from home. I can't wait to see you inside the member area, hitting your daily goals and building real financial freedom from the comfort of your house. Go click that link right now, get full access, and start making money online from home today. I'll see you on the inside. Take action, stay consistent, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye for now.